And we are in
Singapore.
Okay, we're going to explore for the day because we've only got a day here. It's fine, and we've got a lot to see in a short period of time because obviously Rona's first trip here. So let's get on with it. So we're walking around Clarke Quay at the moment. Rona left her lock at home on her other backpack, so we can't put it now. The area around Clarke Quay has changed over the years since I've been here the last time. I can't remember how long ago that was that I actually spent time here. But anyway, still really nice, gives you good shade and protection from the weather, even on rainy days. You go that way. From Clarke Quay, but we've walked back from Clarke Quay all the way. We're not at Clarke Quay station as I showed you. We're just going in, just cut through this path just to have a look. Green building. I would love to either live or work in there. And this is the famous speakers corner, and I'm up on the speakers podium now. This will start before Chinatown. It's a nice little area. Now we're in Chinatown. But it's just like every other little street around in all the tourist areas. Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, Krabi, Bangkok. All the same. Basically same products, and Rona got her magnet again. Yes, we're in central downtown Beijing and Thailand.
direction, what far?
So now we're in the famous hawker centre near Maxwell Station. Just look what you want to eat, because there's a lot. And there's a process here. You just put something down on the table and nobody will take your table. That's how it works. So we didn't go too far. We found tom yum and that's what we're going to eat. Oh, it looks really good. Oh, and here's our food. Rona's got another iced tea. The Ice King Queen of Asia. Good? Okay, let's eat. So this is the end of our little adventure with our food at the Maxwell Hawker Centre, which is right next to Maxwell Station, and at the behind it says Chinatown on the entrance, with the market mall stalls underneath, as you can see right in front. $6 for $3, $24 for $10. You could have had 24 magnets. So yes, straight out of Chinatown Station you can come on the purple and the blue line.
Julai 2025. Untuk maklumat lanjut, sila hubungi kaki tangan stesen
Waiting
kami.
for the next train
亲爱的乘客，
to go see what
为了
Rona
进
wants to
行
see.
更新，环线的列车服务
Something.
将于6月15日至7月。
We're walking around the bay opposite Marina Bay Sands, and if you want to get here the best way, so you get the good views and walk around, get off at downtown station and go to Marina Bay View or Straits View exit, and then walk along behind the Fullerton. That's the best way, and you get the best views like this. What is take a break. We're walking around the bay to go around to Gardens by the Bay. And what are we doing, Rona? We're going to enjoy
Durian ice cream.
a durian ice cream. Seeing we didn't have one in Malaysia, we're going to have one here. Let's see.